Hi alle sammen, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Learning Norwegian is an exciting challenge that opens up numerous opportunities. Whether you're aiming to work, study, or settle in Norway, one of the key steps in your language learning journey is passing the Norwegian language test, known as Norskprøven, Norskprøven, Norskprøven. This test is essential for proving your language skills and is often a requirement for residency, citizenship, or further education in Norway. The Norskprøven assesses your abilities across four core skills: reading, listening, writing, and speaking. In our discussion today, we will take an in-depth look at each part of the test, provide tips on how to prepare effectively, and explain why choosing the right level is critical to your success. The Norskprøven is divided into four distinct parts: reading test, listening test, writing test, oral test, speaking. These four tests comprehensively assess your proficiency in Norwegian. The reading, listening, and writing tests are typically taken on the same day, while the oral test is scheduled separately. When you register for the test, you must select the level of difficulty for the writing and oral test, and it's crucial to choose the appropriate level to ensure that your results reflect your true abilities. The reading test measures how well you can comprehend written Norwegian. It is designed to evaluate your ability to understand different types of text, from short notices to advertisements to more complex articles and narratives. What to expect? Text types. The text in the reading test can range from short, simple notices and advertisements to longer, more complex newspaper articles, instructions, or narratives. Question types. You will answer questions that assess your ability to identify key information, understand the main ideas, and infer meaning from the text. Common question types include multiple choice, fill in the blanks, and short written responses. Skills assessed. The reading test evaluates your ability to understand Norwegian in various contexts, such as understanding a formal letter, reading instructions, or interpreting a news article. Tips for the reading test. To excel in the reading test, it's essential to practice reading a variety of Norwegian text. Focus on increasing your vocabulary and learning common phrases used in everyday situations, as well as in more formal or academic settings. Engage with newspapers, websites, and books to build a well rounded understanding of Norwegian. Our Norskprøven Norwegian test preparation course offers targeted reading practice with sample tests, helping you to get familiar with the types of questions you will encounter in the actual test. The listening test assesses your ability to comprehend spoken Norwegian. You will listen to a variety of dialogues, monologues, or announcements and answer questions based on the content. This part of the test is crucial for those who plan to live and work in Norway, as it mimics real life situations where you need to follow conversations, instructions, or announcements. What to expect? Audio types. You might listen to short conversations, interviews, public announcements, or instructions in different contexts, for example, at a train station, in a shop, or during a meeting. Question types. After listening to each audio, you will answer multiple choice or true false questions. Some tasks may require you to fill in missing information or make inferences based on what you've heard. Skills assessed. The listening test measures how well you understand spoken Norwegian in both casual and formal settings. You need to grasp the general meaning as well as specific details. Tips for the listening test. Improving your listening skills takes practice and immersion. Try to listen to Norwegian as often as possible, whether through podcasts, TV shows, or conversations with native speakers. Pay attention to different dialects, speeds, and accents to familiarize yourself with the diversity of spoken Norwegian. The writing test evaluates how well you can express yourself in written Norwegian. This session requires you to write essays, letters, or short responses to prompts, and it measures your ability to organize your thoughts, use appropriate vocabulary, and apply correct grammar. What to expect? Writing tasks. Depending on your level, the task may involve writing a formal email, responding to a complaint, or crafting a short essay on a given topic. Choosing a level. When you register for the test, you must choose your level A1, A2, B1, and B2. This is important because the complexity of the writing task will correspond to the level you select. You cannot achieve a higher result than the level you register for, so choose carefully. Skills assessed. The writing test assesses your ability to express ideas clearly, use appropriate vocabulary, and apply grammatical rules correctly. It also evaluates your ability to respond to different types of writing prompts, from informal messages to more structured essays. Tips for the writing test. To perform well in the writing test, practice writing regularly. Write about various topics, from everyday experience to more formal subjects like work or education. Review sample writing tasks from previous tests and ask for feedback from teachers or native speakers to identify areas for improvement. Enrolling in our Norskprøven preparation course is an excellent way to get structured guidance on improving your writing skills. Our course includes tailored writing exercises, personalized feedback, and strategies to help you succeed at your chosen level. The oral test measures your ability to speak Norwegian fluently and effectively in a variety of situations. This part of the test consists of two sections: a conversation with another candidate and an individual speaking task where you discuss a specific topic or respond to a scenario. What to expect? Conversation task. In this part of the test, you will have a conversation with another candidate. The conversation may involve exchanging opinions, discussing a topic, or solving a problem together. Individual task. The second part of the oral test requires you to speak on a given topic or respond to a scenario. You may be asked to describe a picture, narrate a personal experience, or provide your opinion on a subject. Choosing level. Like the writing test, you must choose your level A1 to B2 when registering for the oral test. The task you encounter will be appropriate for the level you select. Skills assessed. The oral test assesses your pronunciation, fluency, ability to construct sentences, and overall communication skills. Tips for the oral test. Confidence is key when it comes to speaking a new language. To prepare for the oral test, practice speaking Norwegian as often as possible. Engage in conversations with native speakers. Join language groups and record yourself speaking to identify areas for improvement. Focusing on pronunciation and fluency will help you perform well during the tests. Selecting the correct level for the Norwegian language test is an important decision that impacts your results. The Norskprøven is offered at levels A1, A2, B1, and B2, each corresponding to a different degree of language proficiency. Choosing the right level ensures that the test reflects your current abilities and gives you the best chance to succeed. A1 beginner. This level is for beginners who are just starting to learn Norwegian. You will be tested on basic vocabulary and phrases, such as introducing yourself, asking and answering simple questions, and understanding basic instructions. A1 is suitable if you are at the very beginning of your Norwegian language journey. A2 elementary. At this level, you are expected to understand and use common phrases related to familiar topics such as shopping, work, and personal information. You should be able to manage simple conversations and understand slow, clear speech. B1 intermediate. B1 is for those who have a solid grasp of the basics and can use Norwegian in everyday situations. You should be comfortable discussing topics like family, hobbies, work, travel, and current events. At this level, you will be able to express your opinions, explain your thoughts, and understand straightforward written and spoken language. B2 upper intermediate. This level requires more advanced proficiency. You'll be expected to communicate fluently in Norwegian, both in writing and speaking. At B2, you should be able to understand complex text, engage in technical discussions in your field, and interact confidently with native speakers. This level is the ideal if you aim to work or study in Norway. To choose the right level, consider your current proficiency and your goals for taking the test. If you are unsure, take practice tests or seek advice from language instructors to determine where you stand. The Norwegian language test is a comprehensive evaluation of your skills in reading, listening, writing, and speaking. By understanding the structure of each part and preparing thoroughly, you can approach the test with confidence. Choosing the right level is key to your success, and with regular practice, you will be well on your way to mastering the test. Unlock a world of opportunity and connect with a rich cultural heritage by learning Norwegian from zero to hero with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Our immersive courses and expert instructors guide you every step of the way, ensuring you become fluent and confident in the language. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering one free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.